Hi, I'm Marius, and in this video I will show you the first configuration step for the safeVisionary2, our new 3D safety camera. I will show you how to align the virtual camera in the Safety Designer according to the actual mounting position. We will do this for the application you can see behind me, a classical robot arm safeguarding.
First, we need to open the device window of the connected safeVisionary2 by double-clicking it in our project. In the device window, we navigate to the 3D editor and select the Mounting Settings tab. As you can see in this view, the safeVisionary2 is not correctly aligned to its physical mounting position. It's important to have the same orientation of the camera both in the real and the virtual world in order to avoid errors during the configuration. You have different viewing options, a 3D view, 2D mode, as well as a view where you can choose between continuous live data or a snapshot. Since we are focusing on the 3D view here, let's continue with this viewing mode. In order to navigate in the editor, use your mouse like this. Click and hold the left mouse button to rotate the view. Click and hold the right mouse button to move the entire camera picture. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in or out. We have different options to align the camera in the mounting settings. You can enter the X, Y and Z coordinates and angles directly with numerical values here, if you have them available. Alternatively, we can switch between coordinate vectors to adjust the position and angular pointers to adjust the orientation of the virtual camera. For straight orientation, 45-degree down tilt and 90-degree down tilt, it is also possible to use the available presets here. Since we are facing downwards in our application, we can use the 90-degree down tilt preset and now only have to adjust the camera height accordingly.
And just like that, we have aligned the virtual camera to the actual mounting position. Thanks a lot for watching.